Why is my new Coway air purifier making a loud noise? Is it defective in some way? Nope. In fact, there is a very common culprit. A new Coway air purifier comes with brand new filters inside, wrapped in plastic packaging. If the filter's packaging is not removed, the suctioned air hits the plastic and creates a loud noise. Air can't pass through the filter, which means the machine isn't purifying properly. One customer used their air purifier without removing the packaging for a year. Oops! So please remove all plastic packaging from the product and filters, inside and out. And we recommend reading the manual carefully that comes with the product for safe and proper operation. Enjoy all the fresh air that comes with your Coway air purifier.